Ever wonder how insurance companies stay afloat even when they have to pay out millions in claims? It comes down to a set of rules called Solvency II. Solvency is the bedrock of insurance. It basically measures if a company has enough cash on hand to pay out all its future promises. The framework is built on 3 pillars. These pillars ensure that insurers hold enough capital to cover their risks while keeping the public informed. The main goal is to protect policyholders. By forcing companies to match their capital to their actual risks, regulators prevent sudden collapses. Under these rules, capital requirements aren't static. The riskier an insurer's portfolio, the more money they are legally required to keep in reserve. Ultimately, it is about peace of mind. It ensures that when you file a claim, the company is still standing to pay it. Understanding these back-end regulations helps you see the stability behind your insurance providers. Subscribe for more finance basics.